Welcome again to Quantum Online Maths. Okay, we have joint variation again. This is example 2. Okay, so we have that the heat in unit H produced by a battery current is directly proportional to the time t and square of the voltage. Okay, and inversely as the resistance R. Okay, when H is 120, T is 2, V is 24, and R is 60. You are told what is the law connecting the variables. Okay, see, everything is built on law. Okay, now the second one is say find H when T is what 3 over 2, V is 120, R is what 60. Okay, come, let's do that. This is very simple. Okay, leave all the grammar. Let's go back to mathematics. Okay, so now you have H is what produced the whole thing. And we are told that is directly proportional to what time t. Okay, are you there? And also is also directly proportional to the square of what the voltage. Okay, voltage V. Okay, and inversely as what the resistance. Okay, that's inversely divided by. Okay, so in other words, it implies that H is equal to what? H is equal to what? K. So you remove this sign of proportionality and put what? The constant of the equation. You have what? K TV square all over what? R. Okay. But now we are told that H is 120. So in order that we may find the value of what? K, which is the constant of what? The equation. So you have that T is what? 2. Okay. And V is what? 24 all squared. Okay. Divided by R, which is what? 60. R is what? Is given as what? 60. R is given as what? 60. Okay. Now we have 24 raised to the power 2 should be 576. So you have 2 multiplied by 576 divided by what? 60. Okay. You have to introduce here K. Sorry. So we omitted our what? K. Okay. We omitted our K. So you now have that 120 is equal to K multiplied by 2 multiplied by what? 576. Okay. All over what? 60. So in other words, this is over 1. So when you cross multiply, you have that K is equal to 60 multiplied by 120 all divided by what? 2 multiplied by what? 576. Okay. And when you look into it, you'll find out that what you will get is 6.25. 6.25. So the constant of the equation is 6.25. Now the law now is when you introduce the constant in what? The equation. So you have that the law connecting is H being equal to what? The constant 6.25. Okay. T V square all over what? R. So this is the law connecting. Now let us find the value of what? H when T is what? So H is equal to what? 6.25 multiplied by what? T. T is 3 over 2, which can be written as 1.5. Okay. Multiplied by what? V square. V square is what? That's 120 all squared. Okay. All divided by what? R, which is what? Given as what? 60. Okay. So when you multiply this all and divide by 60, you have that H will boil down to what? 2,200 and what? 50 units. Okay. Solution 2,250 what? Units. Good.